Okay, we're going to make a quick video. What I have here is a holder for a weight. My weight is going to be a 8-pound sledge, which is just under 8 pounds. And so the height is adjusted to give 96 inch-pounds. On the specimen of Douglas fir, which is 5/8 by 5/8 with an 8-inch span, and that's per Forest Products Laboratory Report 354. So let's put the weight in. Put the weight in. And let's pull the lever and see what happens. And this specimen just passed the toughness test. The weight just bounced right off of it. Now this is simple. You can do it anytime with your specimens and know whether you want to use that wood or not.